Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today I'm doing my week 1 May check-in. It's a bit delayed. I've had loads of things going on and I'm going to share that with you now. Go on in. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha and in today's video I'm going to be doing my check-in for May for the first week. In fact, I'm going to run it right up to today's date, so it's just a little bit over. But you know what? This is a real budget. This is my real life, and sometimes you just can't be to the day, to the minute, and this is, this is why this works for me. So always got to remember your budget has got to work with your life. I'm a mum to 2 children, a 14-year-old and a 2-year-old, which means chaos, which means, it's real. So this is my journey to paying off over £100,000 worth of debt. I've got down to the last few thousand now. I really need to do a big update at the moment. But as I said, I've got lots of things going on. I'm going to share that in a minute. But if you think that's something of use to you and you want to come on this journey, it is free. And this community is fantastic and fabulous, and you would be so welcome. If you want to hit that little subscribe, the like button, you would be doing me the best thing you could do today. It makes, honestly, such a difference, and thank you. If you're already subscribed, you already know how much I love you. You're amazing, and thank you. Okay, let's jump into this week, well, a little bit over. I've had those going on in my personal life and life of my children at the moment. It's just meant my focus has had to be somewhere else because that's priorities, and that is life. And I've also decided to do a massive upheaval of my office. I've been sort of dabbling with it for a while. I've done a little bits here and there, but I've pulled everything out. My home is chaos right now. I'm looking at a big pile of mess. It's crazy. Why does everything take so long? Why has it got to look worse before it gets better? Once it's done, I will be doing a big tour of my working office. I needed to make it even better, so it just flowed, and so it was a lot more easy for me to access in terms of getting my business running better. So that's been going on, but it's meant that I've lost a couple of files in the process. I have been loads of things, but I've definitely not been that. I haven't come across it. I've got piles and piles and piles. So being able to close down April and being able to look at all my debts and everything, all the paperwork, I've not got them to hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and watch my own videos, see where I'm up to in terms of what I'd already put to one side, because that's fine. I know it's there. I can count the money again, but I want to see the the progress, the graphs I had. So I'm going to do that, unless these these charts magically appear, and then I'll get those videos sorted ASAP for us. Now, let me have a look at what I've spent and what I've been doing for May. I had myself a goal of 20 no spend days. Even though I have spent a bit, obviously it's a bit longer right now, I've spent a bit, but I've still done well with my no spend days, and I'll talk you through those now. So over recently, we've had my niece's birthday, I've had a birthday meal, I've had my neighbour's 50th. Those are the only social things I've been doing, but things have kind of worked out all right for me. And I'll go through why now. So on Sunday, I had a no spend day, Sunday the 1st. And on Monday, the 2nd was also a no spend day. Now, on Tuesday, I actually went out and did some food shopping. And that was £24.85. And at the same time, I bought my niece's gift because I went to Tesco and the gift was from Tesco, so that wasn't too bad. And then I had another no spend day on the Wednesday because I was at work, which was nice. And Thursday, I ended up at home because it was quite close for voting. Had the baby, we were already in our club, didn't do anything else much exciting than that. Then on Friday, we had the birthday meal. Now, I budgeted some money and I'd expected to spend the money. But when I got there, my brother had to pay the bill in the end. So that was really quite nice for me because, I think when you go with a budget in mind and you're not spending too much, I think that's when they go, do you know what, I'll pick this tab up. So we were on lime soda or tap water such the big spenders. And we just had 2 main courses between myself and Holly, and then everyone else was like buying starters and extravagant main courses and drinks, and we were like, no, we're all right then. So that was a nice treat. And then it was my niece's birthday, but I didn't actually see her because she was doing other things with my mum and dad. And then we went to my neighbour's house for drinks. Now I actually took that bottle of champagne, which was gifted to me because I knew I wasn't going to drink it. But I did buy a bottle of wine to take around with me, which was £8. So that's going to come out of my social envelope as well. And then on Sunday was a, oh, put that no spend down there because that was a bonus no spend. Smiley face with it. And this was a no spender here. And we're up to Monday, which was another no spend day. But then on Tuesday, I didn't need to put petrol in, but I was near to the Costco where I do put petrol in, and I thought, well, there's no point me coming back later on again. So I topped up with what I needed, which was 37.70. So let's make this look pretty. Right, so we had petrol, groceries, time for me. I can't remember the colours I used last time. That's also in my file. So petrol. Right, so that's what I've spent. So at this point now, I'm going to go through my file, see what change I've got, and I'm going to use that then to do my savings challenges. So I used a £10, so I had £2 left over. Some time with me for my bottle of wine. My groceries. Gifts, I'm going to leave that as is because it was a £5. Well, it was £20 not used, and then I put the £5 back in there, so I'm just going to keep that topped up. And petrol. I think that's everything. So let's see what I've got here. I'm going to start with my, well, let me have a look. What do I have in here that I want to complete? I can definitely put something in my £2 coin drop. So that's good because I've got a £2 coin. That's my priority. Let me do something with my puzzle challenge. I think I'm going to do £6 on that one. Oh, I know you've been asking me about the B envelopes, and like I said, everything's just been crazy this last week, so they will be up now. You are welcome to get those if you like them. They're on my Etsy store. If you ever go on there, if you ever see stuff on my YouTube channel and it's not there, just send me a message because I'll always sort it out for you. Sorry, it's something I know you're asking me about this and I've still not put it and fix it. I will do that. I will. Right. I'm going to put the rest in my penny savings, I think. We've got £1.45, and I've got that exact number available, so let's just rub that one off. I need to crack on with this because I want this completed really by the end of the year. So we'll see. I really like this one. And again, some people are asking where you can get the lettering for the penny savings. It's on Penny Savings Challenge. It's just like a little add-on thing on the end of the listing, so you can get that there. Again, if you can't find it, message me, I'll send you links to everything. So that's us all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really, really soon. Bye.